It's really cool that we got to hang out and see Nakai again. Okay, ready? Oh God. We've been looking for a house and we finally found one. And so we are actually all getting a house together and we got the keys the night before we go to Utah. So there is our cars. It's just cool, man. We finally got a house. We're going to Utah and we have to actually go pack right now. So, man. Good morning. Today is the start of Utah. It is 4 in the morning. We've been up really the entire time. We're going to Utah. Let's do it. Finally made it to the gate after a long morning. We've been up the entire time. We were seriously like packing till like 2 a.m. and then went to bed till 3. Then we left to come here. So we're going to go straight to the build after this. So there's not really going to be a lot of rest in between. It's going to be a lot. But we made it. I wish I had my own plane. Listen, don't do that. We just landed in Utah. That's a cool Merc, dang. So we have finally made it to Utah Motorsport Campus where the build is happening. It's happening actually just inside that building over there. We are gonna walk in here in just a second and see how it's all going. But the whole family made it. And we have also a Pacifica minivan. Oh man, what a place. There are a couple other RWBs here, it looks like. I don't know which ones these are, so I'm gonna have to learn these ones here, but it's awesome to see. Let's go take a look at the RWBs here. This is beautiful. Super like Japanese livery on it. Wow, that's nice. The cherry blossoms. Really, really good. 993. Wow, that's pretty. I like that a lot. This one is 801 Greek. I've seen this one before. Haven't met in person, but got some really nice HREs on there with the wing vent or the fender vent there, which I have grown to really like a lot. This 964. I love the wheel choices and the inside choices. It's really nice. We're just kind of walking around. We're gonna have to see where we can go. There's a lot happening and we literally am scouting this for the first time on camera as you guys are seeing it. So, oof, it's a lot. What do you think? Pretty cool. Did you see this one? Walk around the side of it. That's really nice. All right, there's not a lot of people in here right now, so I'm gonna get to work like immediately. Gonna put my stuff down and start going. The build has been pretty fun so far, and we've only been here literally an hour and a half. He is currently doing the Sika on the other side, which is when he does that like grout. It's not actually grout, but it's like a sealant, that black sealant that's super famous. That is called Sika Flex, and so he's doing that right now on the passenger side of the skirt. He still has to do the Sika Flex for the rest of the actual fender flares and a couple other things, of course. I have learned that the car actually does not run right now, and it's actually a Subaru engine that has been swapped in there, and the engine just came in like a week ago, so they are still trying to get the engine figured out. Of course, with like less than a week of time, it was really hard for them to even get that sorted. But the build date is here and the build must go on. It's a little bit different than obviously Corn Dog when we did that last time, but I think that overall we're still going to make a really cool thing here, and I hope that whatever documentary or whatever I can put out, you guys enjoy anyway. So hopefully you guys enjoy this behind the lens, and it's been fun. The world of RWB, right? Like everybody is doing this experience, and this is a public build, so that's why there's so many people here, and it's been really cool for everyone to go and see it. I'm really glad that the art form is being able to be seen for everybody, so everyone can see it and experience it. I think I'm gonna go step out, try to look for Tiffany, because I don't know where they all went. Also, can we talk about this chair? Brent did this too. Tanuki is his thing, Tanuki art, and he did this really cool chair for Nakai. And this style is going to be what is end up going to be there as well. So it's going to be really cool. We're walking in for the first time. Oh, dang, that's Toshi's. Yeah, it's Toshi's. Wow. This is such a nice shop. Where's the LFA? Where's the LFA? That's what I came here for. Kamiwaza Racing. Yup. Rauh-Welt headquarters. Yeah, dude. That's so cool. So Toshi-san is one of Nakai's actual like employees, if you will, and he handles a lot of the licensing and merch and all those things internationally. So if you get like RWB merch, Toshi has to approve it, and this was formerly his car. And that's what's cool, is that you have the Rauh-Welt headquarters decal, which obviously you only get in Japan. So the fact that this is here is really, really cool.
There's a 000 subscription.
00025. That's awesome. So we made friends with 000 over at Checked It Out, and they came to talk to us and things like that. So it's really cool that it's actually here. We end up buying shirts. These are super cool, super limited. This is embroidered. This is the front. Oh, that looks so cool. And they're limited. There's only 90 made. So you got me with the limited edition stuff.
Let me ask you a question.
What's up?
Oh, I didn't have a question ready for him. Hey, yo, let me get your number.
281-30-8004.
You're supposed to be where your boyfriend at. Where your boyfriend at.
Sorry, I went Mike Jones. That was my bad.
I failed my job. That's
We both
okay.
failed. You went one way, I went the other. Oh well.
And that's life.
Just being able to see him in person, it doesn't feel like...
Yeah, it's incredible how he works, right? Like he actually works so fast too. Because what's interesting is like what I tell people when you watch the videos of him building stuff, it's always like really flashy stuff and things like that. But if you actually watch him as he's like sitting and looking at stuff, he is like really meticulous. He's like, that's not right, and he's all just doing it by look, and he's modifying on the fly. It's actually really cool. If you ever get a chance to just like sit and watch him, it's really interesting. He's just like, you can see his mind working.
Yeah, I feel like, you say he's meticulous.
Yeah.
But he's like he's not rushing it. Like,
No.
He's just smooth with it.
Exactly.
So he's working fast, but so smooth where it doesn't look that
Exactly.
way. And that's how he showed me a video of him. And I don't know nothing about cars. I know a little bit.
Sure.
And I was like, who is this guy?
Yeah.
This guy is so interesting.
Yeah.
Nice hair.
There you go.
Ciggy, but he looks
Yeah.
like something off of a movie. So I was like,
Absolutely.
what is that? And then I see him working on the car, and I was like, that's insane.
That's insane. this is the end of build day 1. We still have day 2 to go tomorrow, and then day after that we're going to Gunther Works, and then the day after that we're going to Luft. So super busy, but it's going to be great.
Wow.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Now we
That'll
can't
get you
forget.
there. Use that. You'll get
We
there.
will. That's awesome.
Okay, is that hotel?
I love the handwriting. It's so cool.
Paul and I completely left and went to explore.
We want to see the pink Mercedes.
Yes. Pretty. Ah, the wheels.
Airbnb house tour. I have the computer in my hand, so anyway. Front door.
Tell me how these hangers work. That makes 0 sense. I don't get it.
No idea. Pretty nice. All right, kitchen. Little living room. What the f is that? Heat.
It's a foot massager.
You got heat? Oh.
Yeah, we need that. We need that.
That's all right.
That feels pretty good. Oh, now it's squeezing. There it goes.
There she goes.
Uh-oh.
It's really good.
What else we got? Patio. One in Paul's room. Our room. Yeah. Pretty good size. Awesome. The dinner. I don't feel super well at the moment, so hopefully feel better after we eat. I just haven't eaten or slept really, so it is out here, so we're gonna go ahead and eat and have a good time.
Would you say
Be careful.
the digital part?
There's a hospital on the way home, right?
Do things digitally now where
Might need it.
We just got home from the dinner and it was awesome. Mikey, thank you so much for that dinner. It was amazing. If you're ever in Salt Lake City, that was so good. And we're pescatarian and they had an Impossible Burger option. So for us, it was great. Paul and Juan said that the actual burger, like the real meat, was fantastic also. So highly recommend. Mikey, again, thank you so much. The entire RWB Salt Lake team, thank you again for day 1. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 2. See ya. Have a good night.